This is ArkansasCorgis.com. This is Rose and Todd's June 20th, 26 litter. They are 5 weeks old. They are all red AKC Pembroke Welsh Corgis. They will be ready for homes in 3 weeks. We've got Blue Boy over there in the corner asleep. Pink's right smack dab in the middle of the camera. She just raised her head up. Fighting with the duck is yellow and then green. And then orange is over here on the other side trying to sleep a little bit. And purple is hiding out of view. So let me move her. Okay, so purple now is in view, flipped over. They're just now getting where they want to play with toys. So, and they consider each other toys. Yellow's finally came into the picture with the ball there. Blue's still snoozing. Green boy's on one side of the duck and purple girl's on the other side of the duck. I guess Blue Boy's going to sleep the whole time. This is ArkansasCorgis.com. This is Rose and Todd's litter from June 20th. AKC registered red Pembroke Welsh Corgis. Their coats will get more redder in a couple more days, and they'll progressively get it redder till they're about 6 months old. 4 girls, 2 boys, ready to go in 3 weeks. They're 5 weeks old right now.